In public procurement, efficiency, transparency, and auditability are non-negotiable. We will show you how Folderit, a secure cloud-based document management system, simplifies the government workflow process. Today, we'll walk through a typical government procurement process, from bid evaluation to notice to proceed, ensuring compliance with Republic Act 1-2009 and Republic Act 1-1032. Before diving into the procurement flow, let's talk about user access, a crucial feature in safeguarding sensitive documents. Folderit allows fine-grained access control across user roles. The Bids and Awards Committee, or BAC Secretariat, can upload and review files and configure workflows only in folders relevant to their responsibility. Technical Working Group, or TWG members can upload and download documents. Department heads and managers are set as reviewers in workflow steps such as recommendation or award issuance. Head of procuring entity and legal and BAC head act as super admins or final approvers, with full document visibility and signature permissions across the process. Each folder, document, and workflow can be permissioned separately, ensuring confidentiality, audit trails, and accountability at every step. With access rules in place, the next step is configuring Folderit to support the procurement process flow. Let's go over 3 core components: metadata, workflows, and auto-numbering. 1. Custom metadata fields. Click the metadata icon, then use the plus button to add fields like supplier name, procurement mode, contract type, and NTP date. Set required fields and apply them to specific folders like bid evaluation, notice of award, or contract documents. 2. Workflow setup. Click the workflow icon and choose the type: review, approval, acknowledgement, or e-sign. Assign participants like BAC, TWG, or legal. Define workflow logic, either serial, step-by-step, parallel, all at once, or custom workflow type. You can automate actions like document movement or status update after completion. 3. Auto-numbering scheme. Click the numbering icon to create a new scheme. Example format: PROC, year, sequence, phase. Assign this to folders like contract documents or notice to proceed, making sure each file gets a traceable, unique ID. You can create auto-numbering schemes for different folders depending on the need. To start the procurement flow, 1. Navigate to the bid evaluation folder under Procurement Projects. TWG will upload the bid evaluation report and input the required metadata, then link it to the bid document. The approval workflow will be triggered for the BAC members. 2. Once approved, head to the Recommended Supplier subfolder. Upload the recommendation memo, LCB, notice letter, and declaration of LCRB. The acknowledgement workflow will be triggered for department heads. Link related files, and maintain full traceability. After the LCRB letter is acknowledged by the department heads, proceed to communicating with the winning supplier. 1. Send an email to the supplier informing them they are the lowest calculated and responsive bidder, LCRB. 2. Save the supplier's email response to the LCRB documentation folder by using Outlook add-in. Link it to the LCRB letter already in the system. 3. In the folder, Supplier Submission Additional Documents, under the same LCRB documentation folder, column, upload all documents submitted by the supplier here. Through this step, Folderit maintains not only procurement records, but also correspondence and document trail for full transparency and accountability. After LCRB is confirmed, proceed to post-qualification. 1. In the post-qualification folder, upload sample of BAC resolution and input the required metadata. The review workflow for BAC and TWG will be triggered. Once the BAC resolution is reviewed, you can now proceed to Notice of Award. go to the Notice of Award folder. Upload the request for approval and final NOA and input the required metadata, then link it to the post-qualification report. The approval workflow for BAC head will be triggered. Add reminder: NOA must be issued within 3 days. With the NOA released, access contract documents. Upload draft and final contract versions and input required metadata. Version history is enabled for auditing and tracking. The final phase is issuing the notice to proceed. Navigate to the Notice to Proceed folder. Upload the signed contract and NTP document and input required metadata, then link the NTP to the final contract and NOA. An auto-numbering scheme will be created, PRO C-2025-001-F03. The e-sign workflow for the head of procuring entity will be triggered. Set a 7-day reminder post-contract approval. With this, the procurement cycle is complete and properly documented for audit. From bid evaluation to notice to proceed, Folderit empowers government procurement teams to ensure compliance, enforce transparency, and simplify collaboration. Every government workflow is unique, and Folderit adapts to yours. Reach out to us for a personalized demo and discover how we can simplify your procurement process.